Hello everybody. This is the third time I've tried to do this. We're just trying to make it short. What's going on with this riding mower here? This is a Scott's by John Deere. The original carburetor, you guys can see it or not, that it's frozen, the choke, see? And man, I've had it soaking for probably a week. And so, instead of just taking it apart and cleaning it, which most people would do, I just decided to order a new carburetor off of Amazon. Came with new fuel line, ugly fingernails, shut off filter. This is the old fuel line. It just had a non-directional filter on it, no shut off, and so it just kept pouring fuel in. This new setup has a new anti-backfire valve. Comes with the gaskets, the carburetor, the clamps. I forgot what I paid for it. There's a little plastic grommet in here that it did not come with. Let's see if I can show it to you guys. You see this piece of plastic right here? It did not come with that, so I had to rob one off of one of my other carburetors that's in here. But this is the Scott's mower that I had put the new axle on. Sorry, I'm not professional here. If I was, I'd have to get paid more. I do small engine repair just for people I know. I've been thinking about starting my own business doing it. I've only had one customer. I did just a maintenance for the cutting season. But I have several push mowers, several riding mowers. I'll swing it around here and I'll show you that push mower there. I picked that up off of Facebook. It runs. It just needed a carburetor on it, and I put a new one on it. I can rebuild the carburetors. I just choose not to if they're cheaper. Move this gas can out of the way. That's another mower that needs to be fixed. It needs a head gasket. It's an opposed twin, Briggs & Stratton. I don't know the horsepower on it, honestly, but I'm going to sell that. You can see there's another mower. A friend gave me that old rear engine. It's like a snapper. It's by a weed eater. But these things are simple to put on. Let's just back y'all up. Just remove all the bolts, the thing for the air filter, which goes right here. And I need to ground the anti-backfire valve. I've had a hard time saying that, but just want to give y'all a quick update on this mower. It's a personal mower. Don't know if I'm going to sell it or not. I'm thinking about it. Let's put these on here too. These washers or washers, whatever they call, how you call them. Just messing with y'all. So I'm going to end the video there, just so we can get this up on YouTube. If you like what you see, please subscribe. I am on Instagram, JohnBoys Small Engine Repair. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the videos. And thank you for everybody that watches. Thanks for subscribing. Let's keep the channel going. We'll get it up there. It takes time, I know that. But until then, y'all stay safe and take care.